Now here's how to make deposit into your Bamboo account. Go ahead and click on add money. Next, click on NGN wallet, which is your Nigerian Naira account wallet. Now enter the total amount you want to deposit into your Bamboo account. You need to understand that the minimum deposit you can make into your Bamboo account is 1,410 Naira, which is the exchange rate to $1 at the moment. All right, I'm just going to deposit 100,000 Naira. Next, click deposit. So deposit the amount you want to add to your Bamboo account. Now you have different options for your deposit. The first is the direct bank transfer. The fee is between 100 Naira to 150 Naira. There is a particular range. Then if you are using your ATM card, then you have to use the second option of debit/credit card. And the fee is 1,400 Naira flat rate. Okay. But the best deposit option to use is the direct bank transfer. So click on direct bank transfer. Now, take a look at this right here. There is a specific account generated for you. It is specific to you. By the time you copy the account details and put it on your bank app to do the transfer, then you will see your name attached to the Bamboo account details. All right. So take a look at this right here. The bank name is Paystack Titan, depending on the bank that is generated for you. All right. So this bank here is Paystack Titan, and the account name is Bamboo Systems / your name. You find your name in addition to the account name. And then the exchange rate, of course, is $1 to 1,410 Naira. Then another thing I needed to understand is the fee. Now, please note that deposit over 10,000 Naira attract a 150 Naira fee. And then 10,000 Naira or less attracts just 100 Naira, as you can see right here. Okay. Now let's go ahead and copy the account number. So click on the green box here and then copy the account number. Copy it to your clipboard. So go straight to your bank app and make the transfer of the exact amount you typed in. So I typed in 100,000 Naira. So I'll go straight to my bank app now and do the transfer. Now, once you've done the transfer, simply come back and return with this arrow right here to refresh your Bamboo wallet so you can find the deposited amount right there. So let's go. Now, refresh your Bamboo account by dragging the screen downward. It's refreshing. You can do that maybe once or twice depending on the strength of your network. Eventually, you are going to see the deposited amount reflect here on your total wealth. If it's in USD, you can click on USD. It will flip to Naira. Okay. If it's in Naira, you click on NGN, then it will flip to USD. All right. So that's how to deposit money into your Bamboo account.